Rashid from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Astaghfirullah.
I know that watching Kufr or Sikh movies is not Sikh or Kufr if I don't believe in it.
Watching
But
what?
what about enjoying it?
Watching what?
Movies.
What kind of movies? Love movies, horror movies, Western movies?
No, like Avenger types.
Like?
Avenger types.
Adventure types, okay. What's your
Which
question?
has Shirk and Kufr.
If you're talking about Avengers, not adventure, Avengers is a craze that all, unfortunately, Muslims and non-Muslims youth have fallen under. And it is a form of brainwashing. Even our children play with action figure heroes. And they take them for Eid, to play with, and we don't know what's the background of it. Now, as Muslims, it is sinful for us to watch such movies, let alone to enjoy it and have fun with it and maybe have a best character or join the fan club, blah, blah, blah. Is it kufr? To my knowledge, there is a character called Thor. And Thor in Arabic means bull. And this is an insult when you say to someone in Arabic, and Thor, you're Thor. He says, oh, I control the thunder. No, you're a bull, you're a cow. That's an insult. But nevertheless, so they say that he is the son of God. I don't know what they call the God, his father. And his brother is also a god or semi-god or whatever. Belief in this is kufr and shirk, to believe other than Allah. But I don't think anyone believes in this. Yet it's a major sin to acknowledge it, to watch it, and to normalize it. Yeah, it's a god, but it's a fake god. Akhi, what are you doing? When you read in the Quran, وَلَقَدْ أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ وَإِلَى الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ لَإِنْ أَشْرَكْتَ لَا يَحْبَطَنَّ عَمَلُكَ. O Prophet of Allah, O Prophet Muhammad, it was revealed to you and to those before you among the messengers. If you were to associate others with Allah, all of your deeds would be invalidated. It would be gone. It would be null. And that is a threat to Prophet Muhammad. And you're sitting, watching a movie and enjoying it. He is the God of thunder. That requires you to revise, am I a Muslim or not? And do I believe when the death angel comes to take my soul and everyone around me says, say la ilaha illallah, would I be able to utter it? Or my sins that I've been watching and enjoying would block me from saying it? May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us all.